Hi students, good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the types of chromosomes based on the position of centromeres. Dear students, in generally the nucleus has nuclear protein fibers, that is called chromatins. These chromatins after some time to become a or modified condensed chromosomes or short-ended chromosomes. Okay now. So discuss about the what is the meaning of centromere. A single chromosome containing how many chromatids? What is meant by kinetochores? Dear students, the region of the chromosome where two chromatids or two arms are held together at a path along the length, that is called centromere or primary constriction. Okay now, and the centromere containing two disc-like structures, that is known as kinetochores. Kinetochores by means two disc-like structures are present on either side of the centromere. On either side of the centromere, that is called kinetochores. Anyhow, a single chromosome will be containing two chromatids or two arms. These two arms or these two chromatids equal in length or unequal in length. Unequal in length based on the position of centromere. Okay now, just coming to on the basis of centromere position, monocentric chromosomes are of four types. What is meaning of monocentric chromosome? In generally, a single chromosome containing a single centromere. A single centromere, that is known as monocentric chromosome. A chromosome containing single or only one centromere, that is called monocentric chromosomes. And this monocentric chromosomes are of four types. They are namely, first one metacentric chromosome, second one submetacentric chromosome, okay now, third one acrocentric chromosome, fourth one telocentric chromosome. Dear students, these are different types of chromosomes based on the position of centromere. So dear students, discuss about one by one. So the first one, metacentric chromosome. Dear students, mainly based on the centromere position. So the centromere is present at the middle point of the chromosome. At the middle point of the chromosome. And both the chromatids or both the arms in equal in length. So in this time, this metacentric chromosomes of chromatids to be appeared V-shaped during anaphase. V-shaped during anaphase. That is known as a metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosome. Okay now. Second one, submetacentric chromosome. So dear students, centromere is present in the slightly away from the chromosome. So in this time, both the arms or both the chromatids are unequal in length. Unequal in length. So in this time, the chromosome of chromatids are to be appeared L-shaped during anaphase. L-shaped during anaphase. Next coming to third one, acrocentric chromosome. So dear students, centromere is present. So towards only one side of the chromatid. So this time, so one chromatids are larger in size, another chromatid are shorter in size or smaller in size. So in this time, both the two chromatids are appeared J-shaped during anaphase. J-shaped during anaphase. Next coming to fourth one, telocentric chromosome. So dear students, centromere is present only at the end of the arm or only at the end of the chromatid. By means present only one chromatid or one arm is present. Another chromatid or another arm is absent. So in this time, the chromosome of chromatids to be appeared I-shaped during anaphase. Dear students, four types of chromosomes are to be appeared in metasis of metaphase, especially shown in the English letters V, L, J, I shapes. V shape, L shape, J shape and I shape. Especially metacentric chromosome to be appeared V shape during anaphase. Submetacentric chromosome to be appeared L shape during anaphase. Acrocentric chromosome to be appeared J shape during anaphase. Telocentric chromosome to be appeared I shape during anaphase. So, but here in this anaphase to be appeared in which cell division? So, in generally a cell is always reproduce or divided and thereafter to be produced two cells. By means a single parent cell is always divided into produced two daughter cells. So these daughter cells are equal in size or some of time unequal in size. That is known as mitosis and meiosis. So overall the cell dividends are of two types. One is mitosis, another one is meiosis. So some of the parent cells are divided into two daughter cells. So these two daughter cells are similar in size and same set of the chromosomes are having the same set of the chromosomes. So the parent cell and daughter cells is also same kind of the or same set of the chromosomes. That is known as mitosis. And meiosis, the parent cell is divided to or four unequal daughter cells. So in this daughter cells are having to reduce the half of the number of chromosomes. So the parent cell is produced half the number of chromosomes to the daughter cells. That is known as meiosis. That is known as meiosis. So same copies of the chromosomes, same copies of the chromosome numbers, same copies of the or same set of the chromosome numbers are transferred from parent to offsprings or progeny. That is mitosis. And also cells are equal in size. And meiosis, the parent cell to be transferred half of the chromosomes into the progeny or offsprings. That is unequal cell sizes. Unequal cell sizes. So this is a mitosis and this is a meiosis. Anyhow, the mitosis and meiosis are having to four stages or four phases. So these four stages or these four phases are namely, one is prophase, second one is metaphase, third one is anaphase, fourth one is telophase. Okay, now. So the most of the chromosomes are clearly shown in metaphase. Then after well-developed chromosomes are to be appeared in anaphase. At the same time, in anaphase of chromosomes are having to different kinds of structures. Some of them are appeared V shape, some of them are appeared L shape, some of them are appeared J shape, some of them are appeared I shape. At the same time, to be moving one pole to another pole, to be moving one pole to another pole. By means, at the base of the centromere, the chromatids are moved one region polar to another polar region, one polar region to another polar region. This is a clearly shown on anaphase. This is a clearly shown on anaphase. So anyhow, based on the position, the chromosomes are of four types. They are namely first one metacentric, second one submetacentric, third one is acrocentric, fourth one is helicentric. So each chromosome would be containing two chromatids or two arms. So these two chromatids or these two arms are equal in length or unequal in length. Okay, now this is about the types of chromosomes based on the position of centromeres. Okay, now thank you.